Hello students, welcome to our online classes. Today we are going to start our third poem's appreciation of the poem, which is Try Again. Try Again poems appreciation of the poem. Students, you learned about appreciation of the poem in our first poem, which is Be the Best, which was Be the Best, and 1.3 poem, which is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. In our appreciation of the poem, there have 7 points. Our first point is title. The title of the poem is. Our first point is the title of the poem is. And here in our first point, you have to write the title of our poem. What is title of our poem? Try Again. Our poem's title is Try Again, and you have to write our poem's title, only title, and which is Try Again. I repeat, which is Try Again. Our second point is the poem is written by the poet. Here you have to write the name of poet who wrote the poem, and our poem's poet is W.E. Hickson. Our second point is, I repeat, the second point is the poem is written by the poet, and poet's name is W.E. Hickson. You have to write only the name of poet who wrote the poem, who wrote our poem, wrote the poem, and name of poet is W.E. Hickson. Our third point is the poem has blank stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. Here you have to write, count how many stanzas in this poem and how many lines in each stanza. There have 6 stanzas in our poem, and each stanza has 4 lines. And our in our poem there have 24 lines. 24 lines divided into 6 stanzas. So each stanza has 4 lines. Next, our point is the lines that rhyme in each stanza. Our next point is the lines that rhyme in each stanza are. Here answer is first and third. You learn about rhyme scheme in our previous poem, previous video. You find out rhyming word in each stanza and find out which line rhyme with another line. Then your answer is ready. In our poem, in our Try Again poem, first line rhyme with third line, means first line and third line have rhyme words. Our next point is Try Again. Try again is a repeated expression in the poem. Here you have to find out repeated word, repeated sentence in given poem. And in our poem, Try Again is a expression repeated many times. You have to find out word or phrase or sentence in poem which is repeated and write down in our fifth point. Our next point is the advice in the poem is, what is advice given by poet in the poem? The advice in the poem is, try again and again till you succeed finally. Here poet says, try again and again. Try again and again till you succeed finally. Means, try again to achieve your goal. Don't give up, and finally you will succeed. This advice is given by poet in the poem. Our next point is, seventh number point is, and our last point, 7 number point is our last point. I like the lines. I like the lines. Which lines you like most? Which lines you like most? You have to write in 7 point. I like time will bring you your reward. Try again. Line most. You are free to write any line in this poem. You pick up the line and write in 7th point. So students, these 7 points are very easy and very simple to understand. You practice at home how to find out 7 points from the poem to write appreciation of the poem.